Hello, kids. Today we will practice simple sentences. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. The fish swims in the water. Again, the fish swims in the water. Your turn. Very good. I like big red cars. Again, I like big red cars. Your turn. Very good. They play with small toys. Again, they play with small toys. Your turn. Very good. The bird flies very high. Again, the bird flies very high. Your turn. Very good. He eats 3 green grapes. Again, he eats 3 green grapes. Your turn. Very good. The frog hops on land. Again, the frog hops on land. Your turn. Very good. It rains on this hill. Again, it rains on this hill. Your turn. Very good. She has a blue ball. Again. She has a blue ball. Your turn. Very good.
Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye bye.